Hi.
Say good morning to your farm.
Come.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, come on, we're walking and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. So this is the place of California. We call it
Carpinteria.
Carpinteria.
Carpinteria. And here's a little map.
The
Look.
little maps in here, guys.
Look at this.
Okay. Continue on.
Wow.
Nice.
They got seals. See? Little seals playing on the beach.
So that's the.
And I think we're like right there.
We started there.
And so we can go down this way and maybe we can go find some seals. Like those ones there.
So
I don't know.
This is like a. You can wait that make it that memorial, right?
Well, and people who help support and build it, right? What a commemorative pack. But the birds just went ahead and pooped on it anyhow.
Okay, come on. Uh-oh, this time like
Mustard. Lots of mustard.
mustard.
Uh-oh, don't start sneezing, Quunk.
My favorite to get into favorite. Go straight, huh?
Yeah. Head towards the bluff. It's a big bluff. A bluff is a beach cliff.
Papa, stop in there. Stop. 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 I'm going to get here with you. Ooh, look at that, guys. What a morning walk. There we go.
You missed a ground squirrel. He just walked right in front of you, honey.
Really?
You almost stepped on him.
There?
Yep, there's another one.
Oh, there's
That's a baby.
A lot of.
Yep. That's a little baby going, what's going on? See, there's another one. Oh, that's a bird. Right there. There's a big trail right there, Quunk. Look.
Oh, this is a big thing, though. Okay, guys.
So, Quunk, we should mark where the one we turn up.
Mark it.
So we find our way back to our car.
So we go this way first.
Or we can go down there.
We can go down here.
What is there? Be careful. The railroad.
Oh, railroad. We found the railroad.
There's the railroad.
Oh, that's the ocean you go.
Right, right. Okay, so we'll just go straight across.
Okay, you can off that for now, hon.
Okay. I hear seals.
Oh my God, okay, let's go down there.
Okay, we're gonna go down and see if we can find the seals. This is where we're gonna come fishing for halibut.
Oh my God, that's a lot of fishing there. Look at our morning guys. Oh my God, they're fishing, huh?
Pelicans.
Yeah, they're fishing. They flow really low. That's. Look at that.
There's still a bunch around that oil pier. There's a place right there where we can go down. You can see it. Come on. Okay.
That's the place. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is like 7 o'clock in the morning, and let's go walking, and this is the place that we hike. Look at this, guys. I will show it to you guys. How beautiful is this? Mother Nature create this nature to appreciate
there's a
us.
seal swimming, see?
See, oh my God, there's a seal over there, guys. See that there? There's a lot of seal. And let's go down to the beach. And let's go in here. And I'm really afraid of my shoes. There is no track. It's really slippery. I have to be careful, guys. And here we go. Really pretty. Wow, I'm glad that I'm like here. So glad. Or my sister-in-law said that there is a beautiful hiking place. And here we go. She's right. I love hiking, guys. I love outdoor stuff than the indoor during the weekend, because only we can do weekend or Saturday and Sunday, and I will hesitate to go hiking if I have chance, and this is our chance. You guys, we were there over there, guys. We were there looking for there's people walking there. A trail that we can go down. Over there was really steep, and we could. So we cannot go there because there's stuff. What is it? Beach corset.
The beach is closed because it's a seal sanctuary.
Oh, okay.
Okay guys, nag-uumpisa na ako dito, kinabahan ako kasi sad. It's that good term. It's sad because they say stop, so we should not go there. But gusto ko talagang makapunta dyan. So ang ginawa ko, bumaba talaga ako at binasa ko yung sign. So we find out that December 1st to May 31st was closed. This week was closed because of the seal sanctuary and a nature preserve. So nung December at saka May, up to May, nagme-mating or nagmamigrant yung mga cell. Kaya siguro kinuklose tong beach na to. So okay guys, kayo na po ang humusga at natuloy po kami naglakad dyan. Kasi may tao naman. Okay guys.
Cheers, people hike. May, okay.
Seal birthing season, so it's June already. So
It's June already. We can see it. I don't know, guys, if you can read it. See it. So we can hike. It's December 1st and May 31, so it's already June, so we can walk. So we're okay to walk.
look at that.
Oh, there's a lot of seal in there. Oh, look at that. We can go closer, guys. Let them have a place to play, and we're not gonna bother them.
No, don't
It's
bother.
too close. We just walk here. Look at that, guys.
I think there's one that's ashore right there. You see it?
No.
Right
Look
down
at what
there.
this we
Is that a
walk.
rock? No, it's a seal. Come on. There's one that's actually on the beach. See it? Right there.
I know. I'm looking towards. I don't know because
He's moving, so I guess it's not a rock because it's moving.
oh, it's at the height.
He's going up that way.
People are.
Seal on the beach. You can just sneak up on it.
So here you go, guys. Dadalhin ko kayo sa pinaghahikan namin. Doon kami sa taas. Doon kami kanina. Naghahanap ng oh my God, really steep gid ay. Sabi na ako kanang kaya ra nako padidit ba. Munay paluwa bitaw. Sus di man gid ay kaya. Habog man day kaayos tanan, guys. So hagbong. Di gid ka mabuhay ka diri, mahulog ka ba? Pero wala gi, bunog ka ba? Nanya kay palwa. Imborang sinilas sa mong gisakyan na wala gyud. Ay nalag pagtuga-tuga og naog diha ana oh. Really steep guys. Really steep. Sus gusto pa gyud ako munaog diha. Naanag gid ay ka diri diay. Grabe gid ay kataas. So may gid natay hasba na advantage kay una ba nga dili ta pwede mo in atong life na mag taka lang naog na gid ay silb guys. Na ni out sa kanang kuno. Ni out sa beach guys.
There he is, come on. There he is, come on. Come on, stay on the rocks.
There, she just sat there. Hi, beautiful. I hope she's not injured. Look fine. Okay, looks like a picture together. We made it. So it's over there. She just goes there. And there's another one over there. And there's a plenty of. Look at that. And she just stay there. Beautiful. Ayan. Good morning guys. Oh, really morning. Look at that. We start at 7 o'clock. Here we're in the yes. Let's count that one, guys. We're coming towards here. I don't know if we stay farther from the road. We go farther because I think it's better for her to let go, to enjoy. Well, the water was here a while ago. It's down, so we let her father. Wait, get distance. Ay, muntik na akong magba. Atad na lang lagi. Kini lagi magpatugat-tugat ta og vlog ba nga. Atong chinilas. Ako maging chinilas out. Ahak mo ni sapatos sa uy. Tubay na magini nga sapatos gay baw niya. Kanang kung anak ayo ba. Hi, good morning, sweetheart. Hi, good morning. Oh no, ano guys, titanaw sa ako ba? Hi, hello, good morning. Hi, good morning. Oh, they're walking here. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Are you okay? Huh? Are you alright? You're so beautiful. Wow. Morning. Give you some kisses. Huh? I give her kisses a lot. For you guys. Now siya guys. So, grabe niya ka. Good. Wow! I don't know why. She just goes there. And there's another one over there. And there's a plenty of. They look at that. And she just stay there. Beautiful. See, look at
There's
that.
fish about this big. There's a little crab right there.
It's a lot of here. Mussel. Oh, the fishing
On
pot.
the beach.
And the crab. It's in the crab. Pan?
Amings.
So why do you call that?
That's just what they call them. I don't know why. That's what they're called though.
Let's go another pan in here. Oh my god.
You
Wow.
can see the oil
Yeah, it's the oil.
because of the oil
Oil,
islands up
yeah.
there. Yeah, you can see the oil. Look.
Yeah. It's the oil. It's stuck in here. So, oh,
Crab just jumped.
see, they have crab. Look at these
See,
guys.
there's a crab right there, hiding in there. Look, I'll show you. Right
Yeah.
there.
Look at that. This is a lot of
Lots of mussels.
muscle there.
Okay, sir. Look at this guys, huh? I'm touching. No, I want
Starfish! Here!
There's a starfish.
Hello!
Eating the mussels.
Oh, I found the starfish!
That's what they do, is they eat the mussels.
Yes! Oh, I think she's dead.
No, he's alive.
Oh my god! So, we walked and we found the
Found a
starfish
starfish.
and all the... So guys, another... So, there's a starfish over there. Sabi nila, pag ang beach daw na may starfish, even cleaner. Even if there is like oil filled, but the starfish still living here. Look at that, another one. They eat. Wait, this one is they eat
He's
the
eating the mussels.
mussel. These are big.
That's what they do, is they... Well, you want to take a couple?
No, these are big.
Those are some big ones. Yeah. Come on, sweetheart. You're running low on bat. You're low bat. You're low bat, Clunk.
Nice walk, guys. Beautiful morning with the beautiful places. We saw the stars. We saw the whatever that is.
Seal.
Oh, another one.
Another starfish.
Yes, this is a beautiful color.
Yeah. There's another starfish right there.
Wow.
And another starfish, right?
Wow, Carpinteria. This is a beautiful one.
That's a big
We
one.
just want the big one.
That's a big
Wow,
one.
there's a lot of starfish get stuck.
No, they're not stuck. They're eating the mussels.
Oh,
They're eating. They're...
oh, that's a long. What do you call that one? The big long one there.
That's a big pelican.
One. So big.
To the white. That's a white. There's a white one in there. See him? He's white.
So it's like head.
He's looking at us. There's an albino.